As we all know, today is a Thanksgiving Day, and I want to congratulate all of you on holiday of Thanksgiving Day. And firstly, I want to say thanks for the God, because thanks to God, I'm standing here and I'm very happy, and I'm living in good condition. And I want to say thanks for my teacher Sardor and our supporters Yosen Kizet, USG Almaty, because they supported us always and they gave a chance to us.
Nargize, I would like to congratulate on Thanksgiving Day.
Thank you very much.
Can you tell for what are you thankful?
Yes, of course. I always thankful for my parents that they grow me up, and I thankful for my children that they make my life happy, and I thankful for my daughter a lot because I love her. And
for me, I am thankful for the people around me. I'm thankful for people who helped me, who are supporting me during my work. And I'm thankful for all, first of all, of course, for my family, for supporting me all the time. And for the good students, I'm very thankful because they always try to support me and help.
Firstly, I want to thank to God. Next, I want to thank my family because my family grew me, and I love my family. Thanks.